Back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD. So guys, yesterday we were selling this. As you guys can see, we hit both of our targets, and only after hitting those targets, as I clearly mentioned, that this was the correction to happen, and the correction happened. After getting a correction, guys, we had to move back up again. So for today, guys, it again looks like a sell. Mm-hmm. I expect a correction, and if the support works, a move back up again to test the previous highs. Okay, guys, if we are unable to do this, we break below 1.32164. This resistance here does not act supportive, guys. Then what are we going to do? We are going to test 1.31583. But that is only if you break below 1.3164. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.